Welcome to this free flow, a blend of Qigong and EFT tapping to help ground you and bring you back to the present moment. So when you're ready, find a quiet place to practice and let's get started. Let's begin by setting our intention. Tap where I tap and repeat after me. Tapping on the chest, I choose to be present in this moment. Inner eye, to leave behind any distractions or worries. Outer eye, that keep me from being right here in this moment. Under eye, I choose to focus on my feet, grounded into the earth. Upper lip, focused on my legs, strong and sturdy. Chin, my spine, tall and long. Collarbone and my head rising towards the heavens. Side of the body, bringing my focus and awareness to my fingers tapping. Top of the head, and with each tap, continuously clearing unnecessary thoughts. Tapping the wrist together, breathing in through the nose, and a clearing breath out through the mouth. And give yourself a little shake. Stepping out nice and wide, bring your arms loose by your side. You're going to knock on your lower belly and your lower back. It's called knocking on the door of life. It's great for just opening up the body, getting the energy moving and flowing. And then adding some more movement, leaning into the one leg and rocking back and forth. Again, continuously knocking. Getting some more blood flow, circulation. And then coming back to center. Give yourself a little shake. Placing your hands on your lower back, we're going to focus on opening our internal organs, specifically our stomach, by doing large rotations. So compressing as we bend forward and expanding as we come back. Making those rotations as large as you can. And then make them a bit smaller until you come back to center. And rotating in the opposite direction. And winding back in until you come to a stop. Now, keeping your legs strong and sturdy, grounded in the earth, you're going to rotate from your waist, rotating in one direction, and then rotating in the opposite direction. Focusing on the stomach and spleen, organs and meridians today to work on the earth element, which when it's imbalanced, we can feel that worry, that anxiety, that pulls us away from the present moment. When the earth element is strong, you feel very present and grounded in the here and now. Go ahead, give yourself a little shake. Extending your right leg, we're going to focus on the spleen meridian, which runs from your big toe, the inner thigh, up the side of your body. Placing your left hand on your lower back, hinge from the hips, coming down to that big toe, brushing up the inner thigh, side of the body, and up. Doing it again. You can pair this with your breath. Exhale as you come down. And inhale as you brush along your meridian. Allowing your hand to act as a magnet, breaking apart any stagnations or blocks. Growing tall, getting a nice stretch along the side of the body. Inhale, coming up and rotating sides. Left leg out, right arm behind your back, and brushing with the left hand across your body. Inhale as you stretch up, and exhale as you come down. As always, moving with your breath. Letting your breath be your anchor to stay in the present moment. Last one. Exhaling, coming down, and inhaling as you come back up to center. Creating tiny claws with your hands. You're going to inhale as you come up to center, and exhale as you make those claws and clear out as you rotate. Back to center, turning from the waist, and bringing those hands down to the front and the back of you. Inhale up, and exhale as you claw down. Representing your past and your future. A lot of times those are the things, if they are the only things that keep us from being in the present moment. The worries, the fears. Using your hands to claw away all that heaviness and bringing yourself back to center. Coming back to center, inhaling and exhaling, grounding yourself into the earth. Inhale as you grow tall, and exhale as you sink into the earth. Inhale up, and exhale, grounding. One last time. And placing your hands over your lower belly, your lower dantian. Taking a few breaths, bringing awareness back to your body, your feet in the ground, wherever you may be. Back into this moment. Giving yourself a little rub. Exhale out. And I hope you enjoyed this practice. Please let me know in the comments. I love hearing from you all. Bye. If you are a woman looking to thrive in motherhood while still pursuing your dreams, transforming burnout and doubt into control and confidence, join me in the Mindfully Me studio. Here you can find monthly workshops, exclusive weekly videos, community space, live events where you can chat with me and your peers.